Here is the Hyundai Elantra, and that's the third brake light over there. To access it, we have to first open up the trunk. Now the light is over there, and the way to access it is right over there underneath it. That's the bulb holder. Now I'm going to show you a different view, showing you from inside the car. And that's the bulb holder. All you have to do is just grab it and twist your left to loosen it. Now it may get stuck, it may get a little bit tight over time, so be patient. It may be a little bit hard to twist it left, so it may take a few seconds. Be patient. Push down on the bulb and then twist your left to loosen it and get it out. The bulb number is 7506. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply align it with the pins over there and then push it down. See how I can press it down? So press it down, twist your right, let it go. Now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in and sits in flush. See, right this. Good. See how it's sitting in flush now? At this point, just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and now you're done. And that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.